which book to start with. I don't know like where to consult about this. Should I go with the best-selling author or should I go with the best rating which is available on internet? I'm sure that every viewers who is a beginner in reading stuff have this question. So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Mera Namaste आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. Today I'm going to share with you 5 books which can help you kickstart your journey in becoming of an avid reader. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. The first one in the list is Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayan. It is a compilation of 32 short stories, all located in Malgudi, an imaginary town in South India. However, the stories will not make you feel like that it is a fictional story because it deals with all the challenges which the older generation face and also talks about the challenges which young generation also goes through. It is a perfect compilation where you'd like to read more and more again and you need to come back again until unless you finish it. This book is perfect for Indian child because it carries a typical Indian childhood. So you must start with this short story book. The second in the list is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Like I never miss a chance to talk about this book because I am emotionally connected with this book. This book has been the foundation pillar in my journey of becoming an avid reader. So The Alchemist is about a German shepherd, Santiago, like who sees a recurring dream of treasures found in Egypt. So he starts his journey along with this, and the question which he'll leave us is, did he find the treasure? And during his journey, Santiago goes through an amazing transformation, a mental stimulation which has transformed his life from scratch, like from A to B. It was an amazing transition. That's what made me started in my reading journey because I saw that reading is important because it helps in self-development and mental stimulation. The third in the list is The Great Gatsby by Nick Carraway. The story narrated in this book by Nick Carraway is about a millionaire, Jay Gatsby. Jay is a millionaire who is known for his lavish party, but the stagnant parties he never attends them. As the story unfolds, when Jay met Daisy, Jay wasn't doing financially well at that point of time, but Daisy was a typical rich girl with whom he fell in love, and the part of his plan was to become rich quick to become one with Daisy. So the question is, does he become wealthy by falling in love with Daisy, or does he got the reciprocation of her love? So you guys must grab this book to read, and it's an amazing read. The fourth one in the list is a very famous book, Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini. Amir and Hassan are two best friends who used to play together, but there is something which divides them, a class difference. Amir was a rich boy and Hassan was his servant's son. Asif, a bully, always used to taunt Amir for being friend with his servant's son. But Hassan, who was always used to protect Amir from all these things. A state of growing up, caste difference, discovering family secrets, and a lifelong relationship. This book is bound to touch you. The final recommendation from my end is Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. The story starts from a village called Manu Majra, a fictional village at the border of India and Pakistan. This book also covers that what destruction has brought to these two countries because of partition. A line from the book reads, Muslims said the Hindus had planned and started the killing. According to the Hindus, the Muslims were to blame. The fact is, both sides killed, both shot and stabbed and speared and clubbed, both tortured, both raped. The reason you should pick it up this book is it's straightforward language and it keeps very simply the Indian context to it. It will definitely leave a mark on you. So guys, these are the 5 book recommendations from my end to all of you. I bid all the best in your journey of becoming an avid reader. I am sure that you guys might be wondering that from where you guys can grab your copy. So what I'll do is I'll drop in the link in the description box from where you can grab yourself a paperback and also support my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching in and tuning in today. I hope that I was able to add value. If you feel that I was able to add value, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family who are about to start their journey in becoming an avid reader. Also comment below that which book touched you the most and which book you are going to start with. So for now, I'll take a leave and I'll see you next week again with an amazing video. For then, before you leave, do subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I come on YouTube, you guys will be notified. So, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.